A week earlier than expected, Apple has released the first beta of the new iOS 26.4, and this is the big update we have been waiting for. This looks like it will be the biggest update to iOS 26 until today, and most likely the biggest that there will be on the iOS 26 cycle. Even though the first beta doesn't include the new series that we had been promised, but it's still really huge with a lot of new features and changes, and some features that are actually super useful. So in today's video, we're taking a look at this update, and we have some amazing features to share with you guys. Now, first of all, let's head on to the Settings app. So you can see right here under Settings a really interesting change. Now, this right here is the iOS version. So when you're on your settings, you tap on the iOS version. Previously, it was a bit different, and it used to show you right here the build number of the update, but now it only shows you the current version of iOS, and you will have basically a description right here, the same that you also get on the update page when you're updating to a new iOS software update. Moving on to the lock screen here under the Wallpapers section, you can see the gallery of the wallpapers right here looks totally different. So you don't have the wallpapers here, you just have them on a stack. On the left side, of course, the titles and the description right here. And you can notice that actually these are not on your gallery. You will have to actually tap the Get button to basically download them into your device. So once this process is over right here, you will get the wallpapers here on your gallery from each of course, these sections that you have right here. So even for all the wallpapers, you can see them right here. Now, once you have downloaded like getting on your gallery a pair of wallpapers, you can just tap right there to actually remove them from the gallery. It will go back into the stack, and of course you can re-download them anytime you want. Moving into the home screen, we have new widgets for ambient music. This is a great addition to iOS 26. Now right here we have a medium one with 4 different sounds, and then we have a smaller one with 1 sound, which of course can be customized. You tap and hold right here, tap on edit widget. You can go ahead and choose the mood right here, or switch between like different playlists that you have right there, which is really awesome. Now the bigger one can be edited as well, so you tap right there again, edit widget, and you can go ahead and choose between any of these for each 4 of the sections of this widget. And as you can see right here on the home screen, we also have a new Freeform icon to better suit the new Creator Studio from Apple. So you can see right there a really nice looking new icon for Freeform. Now, Apple has done an amazing job with the Music app on iOS 26.4, and I have a feeling that they will be working a ton on the Music app with the next betas as well. Now, one of the coolest features, which is currently not working for everyone, is the new Playlists Playground. So basically, you tap right here, and it will give you the option to enter a prompt, and then it will create a playlist for you. That's basically using Apple Intelligence to create playlists for users, which is really awesome. Now, what I really like is the new look for playlists and also for albums. This is just amazing. You can see right here, we have a full screen like look right here. It looks really awesome. I really love this one. And you can see the same. It will be basically everywhere on the Music app, and if you use Apple Music, it will be even better. You will have a full screen basically here, the album art on full screen, making it look really cool. But also the playlist will take the colors you can see of the cover right there, and it looks really better than the one on iOS 26.3. Now, one of the coolest new features on iOS 26.4 will of course be videos on podcast. Now, the podcast app on iOS now supports videos. For every podcast that you listen to, of course, it does have a video. You can now play it with the video. You can see right here in line here will have the video, which is really awesome. Now, it will have a little button right there that allows you to turn on or off the video. So if you don't want to watch the video, you can just turn it off right there. But for any podcast that does offer video, you will see it right here. Now, the thing is that if you go here into a podcast, or when you go to the episode, you will see right there, just at the top where you see the date of the release, you will also see like an indicator that says video. This lets you know that that podcast does have a video which you can play. Moving on into the Reminders app. Now the Reminders app does have a new section, and it's the urgent section right here. With reminders, you can now actually add like new reminders, which you can mark as urgent. So if we just go ahead and create one right here, enable the urgent, right there, you can see now we have that right here under the urgent, which is really awesome. Now this, in my opinion, is one of the coolest new features of iOS 26.4, Apple Account Unified Design. The Apple accounts now have a unified design. So when you tap into your account on your App Store, podcast, on whichever app on iOS where you have the ability to visit your account, you will see this unified design, which looks really, really awesome. It's much better, more organized, and more basically cleaner than the previous one. This one is on the App Store. You will see your subscriptions, your updates, your apps and purchases, everything here in one place. Really nice looking and very, very organized. A new feature that has been spotted on the code of iOS 26.3 is here, and it's still on beta, but of course it will most likely be here on beta for a few months. It is end-to-end encryption for RCS messages. So if we go right here under messages and scroll down here, you will basically be able to find this new feature. Of course, if you have like a carrier that does support RCS, you will see the ability right here to enable the new end-to-end encrypted RCS messages, which is really, really awesome. And of course, it will help you a lot, make your messages way safer. That way, I suggest, even though it's still on beta, you go ahead and enable it. You will find it right here on this section when you go to the messages app settings under the apps section on the settings app. It should be right here somewhere. And if you have RCS message, you can now also enable end-to-end encryption. And when you go to your iCloud settings, if you just scroll all the way down here, you will find now iCloud.com. Now right here you should be allowed data access. Now when you go here, you will find a bunch of other options. So you will have the allowed data access right there, still the same option. You will also have now a new option here to allow search, allow your trusted Apple devices to provide search results on iCloud.com. So you can enable or disable that from here. Again, to access this, you will need to go to your profile at the top of your settings app, go to iCloud, and at the bottom you will find iCloud.com. So that is it for this video, guys. iOS 26.4 looks to be an amazing update. Now, there are a ton of other features that are being discovered currently. In the next few days, we should have a lot more features to talk about because this is actually quite a big update. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.